I'm so sorry that I'm never wearing makeup in these videos anymore. I promise I will do my makeup next time. I know you guys don't really care, but this is a makeup channel and I should be wearing makeup. But I've been so busy recently that I just never wake up early enough or do it during lunch, so sorry. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the Ipsy August 2020 unboxing. I'm so excited. I got this so early. So let's get into this unboxing. So I've already opened the package because it came in a package this time rather than a box. So it came in something like this. I think this is a really cute drawstring bag. I need to see what other colors the regular Glam bag and what the ultimate were, but this was the plus one. I think it's really cute, really easy to travel with. I don't like purses, but I do like these types of bags, so maybe I could convert this into kind of like a daily purse. But there is an item in here, so this is going to be the first one that we open. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if there's a card in here to see what the theme is. So, okay, we do. So August 2020, the future is yours. It says on the front, look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow, from achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. The future's in your hands with a Glam Bag Plus that is even more personalized for you and looks epic. So this kind of hinted at what I was gonna mention next. It talks about being more personalized than ever. Glam Bag Plus, only Glam Bag Plus as far as I'm concerned, because it didn't mention anything about the other two subscriptions, gets to choose up to 3 options. Now, I can't remember, I know I chose this palette. I can't remember what the other items I chose. So we're gonna have to wait and see, because that was, even though it wasn't a while ago, I chose it August 1st, so it hasn't been that long. I know I chose this palette, but I'm not sure what I chose for the other 3 items, or if I even chose, because you don't have to choose. They give you the option, but if I like something, then I'm gonna wanna get my hands on it. So the first item we have is the Venice Fling Daily Saran. This is how it's spelled. Estate palette. Such cute packaging. I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I saw this palette, and even though I've collected way too many eyeshadow palettes, I am obsessed with this color theme. It gives me huge summer vibes and even spring, but to be honest, this gives me really good fall vibes. I can see myself wearing these colors in the fall and winter, especially this row. This I can wear pretty much year round. This middle one I can wear more. These two, pick and choose, but they are so beautiful. I'm gonna swatch these 2 shades just because they're like the most beautiful in the palette. Ooh, that gold one is gorgeous. I know it's kind of hard to see, the lighting in here is absolute trash. Okay, so next item in our bag is, ooh, a Huda Beauty. It is a liquid lipstick in the shade Day Slayer. I don't believe this is an item I picked. I don't remember this at all. Oh, that is so pretty. That is gonna be a go-to every day. I love nudes, and I've been really into deeper nudes, and I am definitely gonna be wearing plums and stuff like that more in the fall. I don't know about every day. Even though I'm working from home, I still try not to do crazy makeup during the week, just because I do have to be on video calls, and I know it's in our handbook to not wear crazy makeup. I can get away with like some vibrant colors, but I don't know if I can get away with like cheetah print and stuff like that. But this is perfect. I've never had a Huda Beauty product. I know that the rose gold palette was like the ish a few years ago, and I really wanted it. I thought those like foiled shades looked so good, and I've heard her lip products are really good, and I've always wanted to try one of her 9-pan palettes. Now I feel like the grandma from Halloween Town, just picking stuff out of her bag. Ooh, but the third item we have is a Murad. This brand is so good. My boyfriend's sister is an esthetician, so she always gives me the best skincare advice, and even though I research it myself and know pretty well for my own skin, it's always great to have her give me advice, because obviously she's like knows way more than I do, considering she went to school for it. But this is the Hydration Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum in SPF 30. That's what the box looks like. I know it's kind of bright outside. It says this lightweight anti-aging SPF moisturizer with powerful antioxidants hydrates and conditions skin with essential fatty acids. Pomegranate and grapeseed extracts help restore suppleness and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It says to use in the morning, apply liberally to the face, neck, and chest. Just a little squeeze tube. Oh, that was a lot. That was a lot. I'm actually just gonna put this. I know it's not the morning, it's actually like 6 in the evening, that's okay. It smells like sunscreen, makes me want to go in the pool. And I have not been to a pool at all this summer. This says it's step 3, so I'm gonna have to look at other steps. It says doctor's tip for the full SPF 30 benefit smooth and nickel size amount over the face and neck. I'm excited to try this. Murad is such an awesome brand. It's really expensive. Well, it's not the most expensive, but it is on the pricier side. I like First Aid Beauty because they're a little bit more affordable with still kind of a luxurious feel to it, but this is like the next step up. Okay, the 4th item in our bag is, oh, I think I chose this one. This is the Laura Geller Kajal Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze Kohl. This is the tip. You can see it there. Oh, that glides so well. I love brown eyeliners. I used to only wear brown eyeliner in high school when I was a senior mostly, just because I had blue eyes. So if you have blue eyes, I recommend a brown eyeliner from time or two. I'm excited to use this. I don't wear a lot on my waterline. Recently, I've been using a lot of ColourPop cream gel eyeliners, the pastel collection that I have, and I love them, so I'm excited to try this. This glides on so well. I've never had a Laura Geller product, so this is pretty exciting. And for our last item, I remember choosing this because I've been wanting to try it for so long. It is the Thrive Cosmetics Mascara. It's in the shade Bryn, which is a rich black. Go figure, that's okay, but I've been wanting to try this mascara for so long that I don't care that I'm getting another black mascara. Ooh, I love the packaging. I don't think this is their normal mascara. I think they have a normal one that I've seen all the time. I think this is like amplified version of that, which is what I'm gonna need anyways because my eyelashes are non-existent because I rub my eyes a lot and they easily come out and that's not good, but that's okay. Already obsessed. I love wands like these. I like small ones because they attach to my eyelashes way easier. Not a lot of product. I hate big clumpy wands where I have to like literally take all the product out or it's gonna clump all together. That is the last item. I'm gonna go look up the prices and tell you what they are and then give you the full recap and tell you what my thoughts were. For price, so starting with what I opened first, this palette, the Venice Flame palette, runs for $30 market price. The second item that I grabbed was the Huda Beauty. This is $20. Yes, I had to double check, it was $20. I'm trying to remember this off brain here, it's not working as much. The third item, which was the Myriad, this is $58, which I'm not surprised. I'm still surprised every time, but I shouldn't be surprised because I told myself this is an expensive brand and I've seen their prices before. Just wasn't expecting this to be $58, but it's also not totally out of the price range that I was thinking of. So this eyeliner was $22, and then this mascara, this mascara was $24 for a whopping price of $154. Just to remind you, the promised price is $125. I think last month we were short $1, but I like the products that I got last month, so it's not like totally unveiled. This has to be my favorite Ipsy box, and I think it's just because I got to choose 3 out of the 5 items. I think what I'm gonna do next time, hopefully, it kind of depends. The reason why I picked those items is because I really like them. This one I didn't necessarily have to get, but I I don't know, I felt like I should choose 3 this time. Maybe next time I'll choose only 1 or 2 if they're products that I'm not extremely like dying to try but wouldn't care if they were in my bag. I'll just choose the pick for me because I believe I am able to choose 1 or 2 and they can just pick the 3rd one for me, or 2nd and 3rd one for me. I don't think if I do the pick for me it's gonna pick all 3, at least from my understanding. If that's not the case, then we'll just have to see what the items are, but I believe I'm able to do that because it gives you like 2 options and you pick from 1, and BoxyCharm does that as well. I actually just did that today for Boxy Lux, which I'm excited about for the month of September. But overall, I'm obsessed with this box. Like I said, I got to choose a lot of items, so that might influence everything, but I like this. This one's very makeup based, which is fine, but they're all different items. Obviously, this is in the shade black, but that's okay. I'm like not totally against black mascaras. It's more so eyeliners that I get tired of. This was brown, which is good for me because I have blue eyes. I'm obsessed with this color. I didn't get to choose this color, and I don't really have a lot of colors like this. They're more of a pink based one, where this is has a little bit more of a brown to it, so I'm really excited to try this. You already know I'm geeking about this because of the price. And then, like I said, this palette I can use like almost all the time, even with it not being necessarily an everyday palette. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love doing unboxings. They're my favorite things ever. I'm hoping to do another tutorial soon, especially the tie-dye collection from ColourPop. I feel like a lot of people like the collection but don't know how to use it, and I've done a few looks with it that I think are absolutely stunning, and I think I'm going to recreate them and show you guys how I did them. Anyways, please comment, like, share, subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but it does help me a lot. Even if you don't, just watching to the end right now helps me a lot with views, so I really appreciate it. I hope you guys show up next time for my next video, which will probably be BoxyCharm. If not, it'll be another tutorial. But thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.